Yo, real talk. Remember COVID lockdowns? That itch to see anyone after day 5? Turns out your brain wasn't just bored, it was starving. Scientists did a messed up experiment. Take humans, cut all social contact, watch what breaks first. Spoiler, everything. Here's what happens in your skull when you're alone too long. 72 hours in, stress hormones go BRRR like a broken alarm. Your thoughts start looping. Was that text weird? Do they hate me? Spoiler, your brain's gaslighting you. It misses reality checks from friends. 3 weeks in, your prefrontal cortex shrinks, the logic center. Limbic system, fear HQ goes hyperdrive. Translation, you panic over spilled coffee, cry at ads, lose track of days. 2 months plus. Hallucinations kick in. Yep, your brain invents people. Sleep? Gone. Digestion? Wrecked. Time? Meaningless. Actual brain damage. Shrunken gray matter. Fried nerves. Why prisoners call solitary torture. 120,000 plus people in the US sit in 6 by 9 feet boxes 23 hours per day. Results: 3x higher PTSD, permanent paranoia, inability to connect. One ex-inmate told me, "You forget how to smile, your face forgets." The freaky science. We're wired like plants needing sun. No social fuel into brain cannibalizes itself. Norway figured this. Fewer prisons, more rehab into world's lowest repeat crimes. We heal together or not at all. If this chilled you, do me a solid. Smash subscribe. I drop unsettling brain hacks weekly. No fluff, just raw human truth. Want to help me fight isolation's shadow? Join the rebellion on Patreon. Link below. You'll fund free content for lonely minds plus uncut Q&As. Seriously, every coffee brews connection for people drowning in silence. From my heart, thank you. You're not supporting a channel. You're throwing lifelines. Remember, your brain's a social organ. Feed it people, laughter, messy conversations, or watch it eat itself alive. Go call someone. Now. Catch you next week.